Hi, welcome back to Key Concepts in Technology and How to Use Them. This is the introduction to week 2. And this week we'll do some myth busting and begin developing an approach to de-Blackboxing technologies so that we can understand how and why they work the way they do. We'll begin the first in a series of learning activities based on using the iPhone as a case study of modular and combinatorial design principles, which we'll study in detail in the following weeks. And we'll also study the larger networks of non-technical relations that makes complex technologies like smartphones and PCs possible and combinable with other technologies. We'll continue our myth-busting of technological determinist assumptions and learn how to use productive analytical concepts from authors like Brian Arthur, Donald Norman, and Lev Manovich. Arthur is a great systems thinker. He explains how new technologies are usually combinations of existing technologies and ways of bundling functions already in place into new systems of combination. This always involves what he calls an orchestration of complexity through the ongoing built-in combinatorial design features of inherited technologies. So combinatoriality is cumulative, and each new technology is a resummation of what's combinable. The new combinations often exploit advantages in new materials and advances in components. Think of the ongoing miniaturization of components in PCs and devices and rechargeable batteries for all kinds of electronic devices, technologies that didn't exist, 10, 20 years ago. Now, Don Norman is a great guru of human-centered design principles, and this week you'll have an introduction to his useful explanations of the design concepts of affordances, that is, designing for human interaction, and cognitive artifacts, that is, how our devices and artifacts become part of our thinking processes. Connecting further, we'll see parallel concepts in Lev Manovich's ideas about software and digital media design. He expands on a well-known design concept that emerged in the development of graphical interfaces, the concept of the computer functioning as a metamedium, that is, a medium for presenting and processing other media. The open principles for hybrid combinations in software leads to his concept of the deep remix made possible in digital media and what he calls cultural software, which is parallel to the idea of symbolic and cognitive technologies. Well, happy reading and thinking as we prepare this foundation for the course, and see you next time.